Welcome to Wheelhouse, your go-to destination for the latest updates on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda Activa 6G, one of the most popular scooters in India. With its latest upgrades, Honda promises better performance, improved features, and even more comfort. Let's take a closer look at what the new Activa 6G has to offer. Design and styling. The 2025 Honda Activa 6G retains its classic and elegant design but now comes with a few modern touches. Honda has introduced fresh color options, a sportier LED headlamp, and stylish chrome accents that give it a premium feel. The scooter's body remains sleek and aerodynamic, ensuring a perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Activa 6G continues to feature the reliable 110cc V6 engine, but Honda has made refinements to improve fuel efficiency and overall performance. Expect a smoother ride with enhanced smart power, especially technology, which reduces friction and enhances mileage. The silent start system ensures a noise-free ignition, making early morning rides even more pleasant. Features and technology. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 model is the introduction of Honda's Smart Key. This feature allows keyless ignition, remote unlocking, and even an anti-theft alarm. The fully digital instrument cluster now displays real-time fuel economy, distance to empty, and other essential ride stats. Another welcome addition is the USB charging port, making it easier for riders to charge their devices on the go. Ride comfort and handling. The new telescopic front suspension and improved rear shock absorbers ensure a more comfortable ride, even on rough roads. The larger 12-inch front wheel offers better stability, and the Combi Braking System (CBS) enhances braking efficiency. Honda has also fine-tuned the seat design for better comfort during long rides. Mileage and pricing. With improved fuel efficiency, the Activa 6G now offers an impressive mileage of around 50 to 55 km/h, making it one of the most economical scooters in its segment. While official pricing may vary by region, the expected price for the 2025 model falls in the range of 78,000 rupees to 85,000 rupees ex-showroom. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Activa 6G continues to set the benchmark for reliability, comfort, and efficiency in the scooter segment. With smart features, refined performance, and stylish upgrades, it's a strong choice for daily commuters and enthusiasts alike. What do you think about the new Activa 6G? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wheelhouse for more two-wheeler updates. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.